Hi, this is a review for their Ortigia Magnolia Home Sweet Home garden flag. This garden flag is 12.5 inches across and 18 inches tall. This is just a standard size garden flag holder that we have here in our garden. And this is a really great standard size flag. So it's like small, medium, like I said, 12.5 inches by 18 inches. It's made of really nice burlap material that is double-sided. So depending on where your garden is, if you're wanting your flag to be seen from both sides, I really love that that's a feature. This is, like I said, the Magnolia Home Sweet Home one, but it comes with a lot of other fun prints, seasonal ones, things like that. Something else that is great about this is that it comes with this little stopper that comes with it. So it's a cute little flower design. So if your flag holder doesn't have a stopper, that's super nice that it has that. And then it also comes with this really sweet little clip. So to keep it from blowing around too much and getting tangled, you can attach this onto here and then clip it there so that it keeps your flag nice and straight so it's able to be seen. So if you are looking to spruce up your garden a little bit with a new flag, I'd really recommend checking out this one.